Let us discuss today account syllabus. As you know, you have two parts, account part 1 and part 2. How you have to prepare the subject and what is the weightage of every chapter. Chapter 1 of part 1, you have introduction to the partnership. 4-mark question will be there. Second chapter, you have final account of partnership. 11 mark. F section, 1 question compulsory is there. The June is the month you are supposed to complete these 2 chapters. Third chapter, you have valuation of the goodwill. 6 marks is the weightage. Fourth chapter, reconstruction of a partnership firm. 5 marks. By July, you are supposed to complete these 2 chapters and continuously keep on revising what you have done earlier. Fifth chapter, admission of a partnership. 10-mark question you will be having. In the E section, you have 1 question of 8 marks plus the remaining marks for the MCQ as well as A and B section. 6 is that retirement or a death of a partner. Again a 10 mark is the weightage. In E section, you have 1 question and the second 2 1 mark question in A and B. August is the month you should complete these 2 chapters. The 7th chapter is the dissolution of a partnership firm. 7 mark is the weightage. You have the question in the C and D section. In these 2 sections, you will be getting question. In September, you have to complete this chapter, and in September, you also have your first examination. So in this way, the part 1 supposed to get over by September. Now let us see part 2. Part 2, first chapter you have, that is accounting of a share capital. Again, one of the very important chapter. You have to do it thoroughly. In the month of October, you have to complete. This chapter is having 10 marks. Again, you have E section, 1 question, plus in A and B, you have 1 question. Second chapter, that is accounting for the debentures. 6 marks is the weightage. Third chapter, company's final account. Like you have the partnership final account, you have the company's final account. Compulsory question in your F section, 11 mark question. So by November, these 2 chapters you have to complete. Fourth chapter is the analysis of the financial statement. 6 marks is the weightage. Fifth chapter, accounting ratio and analysis, 8 mark weightage. By December, these 2 chapters you have to complete. The last is, that is the cash flow statement, 6 marks. In the beginning of the January, chapter gets over, and in the January you have your prelims exams also. So in this manner, total 100 mark is the weightage to the various chapters, and you are expected to prepare all the chapter time to time so that you have sufficient time for revision. In the February, the whole month, and in March, we may expect our exams. This is how account syllabus to be dealt with. Thank you.